Hey guys, it's Zoe, and today we are going to be doing, guess what? We're going to be doing a Bath & Body Works Flame Thrower, and so just keep watching to see how to make it. Let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so right here on my desk by my filming stuff, I have a candle. This is the BBW Home Cinnamon Stick candle, and then I have mini Bath & Body Works fragrances, and these are big ones because, you know, cinnamon and winter candy apples. So actually, let's just start, and let's start making our flamethrowers. So let's get going. Okay guys, so ignore the person clock. Anyway, so first you're just to take your candle and your Bath & Body Works spray and just do this. Do you see that, guys? I'm going to do it one more time. See guys, it's really cool. So that was winter candy apple, and let's get on to the next. So I now have Mary Cherry Cheer, and let's just do it. So that was Mary Cherry Cheer, and then we have Vanilla Bean Noel. Ooh, that one's good. Oh no, it blew it out. Oh gosh, that's bad. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and relight the candle, and I'll be back for the other flavor. Okay guys, so I relit my candle. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, so now I'm going in with In the Stars, and we're just gonna, so that's In the Stars. Now we have Pretty as a Peach. That one was awesome. And last we have Champagne Toast. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna blow it out. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. I will see you guys later for my next video. Bye! Subscribe and comment what video you want me to do next. See you guys later.